is going on, everybody? It's your boy SoFly Trades here, back with another video, and it is currently 7:26 a.m. I've taken one scalp for around like 20 something bucks. I sold it simply because I wasn't able to add to my position how I had wanted to. And we were at a key level that I would have been looking to sell at full position, so I sold. But I'm back in long positions on SPY now, about 5 contracts, risking about 173 bucks. If we were to get to the other key level, I'm risking about 173 bucks to make 1,200. If we were to see this kind of continuation, I'm hoping, since Israel and Iran are going at it right now, that, you know, these stocks go up. Because if you guys have been trading for a while, you know that when people go to war, our defense stocks go up. And you know, the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ 100 both move. But I'm currently up on this position, 95 bucks. Oh yeah, and I got my hair done, bruh. I got my hair locked up. You feel me? So that's something new. I'm trying to look good for y'all. You feel me? You feel me? But nah, I'm about to show y'all this position though. Originally longs on SPY after we broke above this 601 key level. I sold on that second candlestick once I started to see it reject, simply because, you know, I'm not sure if it was going to reject beforehand. But I'm currently in longs after the break above this 603.33 with that slight little bounce off my 9-day EMA. That's what my position looked like so far. In order to try to stay in this position longer, if this price continues to move in my favor, I'll just move my stop up. But I'm not sure. Oh, but let me update you guys on what happened last week. I did not record any videos last week. I had company over. So, you know, but this is how the week went. I was in profit by 159 bucks last week. This Tuesday is what kind of messed me up. It was sort of a tricky day. I stopped myself out earlier than what I was really supposed to, and took a loss on a play that wouldn't have stopped me out. So I entered and exited simply because I thought, you know, it would stop me out. And that didn't happen, actually. So I took like a early loss on a play that was actually going to go in my favor. And since I closed out the position early, I kept jumping back in, trying to go long, and just kept getting smacked. Yeah, see? But I'm just glad I still came out green for the week. I'm not liking how weak this 5-minute is starting to look right now. It's looking a little bit weak. Like the 15-minute might want to pull back. But I don't want to get scared out of a good play, because I've been getting scared out of good plays. But I definitely feel like price could maybe pull back before, you know, we see another nice move to the upside, because we have quite a lot of room here. Just, if I'm being honest, quite a lot of room. my stop loss up. Risking about 80 bucks now. I'm thinking about trimming two contracts if this candlestick look like it fails here. I sold two simply because I see these 15-minute candlesticks getting smaller here. Yeah, and since my 15-minute candlesticks are getting pretty smaller, that's telling me sellers could step in soon, maybe. Oops. I kind of feel like I should have traded M and Q because I'd be up a couple more dollars. But it is what it is. Yep. Let me trim two more. I'm protecting myself here. Because I can always re-add. Because this thing look like it's pulling back. All right, I closed out. This could be a huge mistake, but I'm looking to re-add. It's just because it was looking kind of weak. Now, we could just hold EMAs, but honestly, I got to take these profits. I think I'm going to look to trade M and Q. If we can get that pullback to 533, I'm going to look to trade M and Q. Now, price action looks like it wants to pull back. See? Now I would be, damn near in the red on my position if I'd have held that. So I'm just waiting for like a nice pullback now in order to, figure out this long situation, make sure my time frames align to tell me price does want to go back to the upside. But yeah, see, I'm glad I sold my position, took my profits, up $128 so far. It's not bad. I'm hoping we can get a better pullback. If we get a pullback to 533 with a hold, I'll probably go long with a stop under that previous red 5-minute candlestick, as long as price doesn't take it out, or we might liquidity sweep it to take price long. So I'll look. But yeah, I'll update you guys soon. Peace. Okay, so I am in my last trade of the day. I am long. I went long after price was like holding the EMAs, the 21-day, but now they're converging. 15 minutes looking pretty weak, so I could get stopped out here. But even if I do, I'd only be down about $60-something on the day, and that's not really, that's not much. If it doesn't hold this level, it could fail. Liquidity sweep, bounce off VWAP to continue to the upside, or just chop under the level. That's kind of what I see happening. But it is what it is. I'm not even tripping if I get stopped out. So at least I won't be taking like a huge loss, Also, I kind of feel like I kind of feel like I overtraded, but at the same time, I seen opportunity, so it's kind of hard to gauge that. But that's why I have rules set to where if I take a certain amount of trades, it locks me out. But I'm curious to see if SPY holds this 603.33, or will it fail? I'm not quite sure, but we'll see. $15-minute kind of looked like it went in reverse. I can't even lie to you. But I'll update you guys on this position soon. Yeah, so far 2 for 2. This one could go against me. Honestly, if any trade goes against me today, it will be this one. And if it does, well, honestly, win or lose, after this, I'm done for the day. I'm not trying to, overtrade and lose too much money. I'd be fine with a $60, $70-something loss on the day. Because once again, my first freaking trade, I didn't get to add to my position. I didn't get to go full size, so I didn't get, my full profit that I was looking for. That had me wanting to look for another trade on the break above 603.33. And once we got that, we failed, broke above. I entered on this next candlestick pullback. And yeah, but this is looking like it definitely wants to stop me out soon. So yeah, I'll update you guys soon. It'll probably be an L. And if it does, I ain't even tripping on it for real. You found me, because it won't be a big L. As long as I got my risk managed, I am fine, and I will live to see another day. Wah, wah, wah. Now I'm down $12. I cut the position before it started to fully just melt. Honestly, looks like it kind of wants to melt. Granted, stop loss is right there, which it didn't quite get to yet, but what if I just want to save my $60, bro? Like, what if I just want to save it, bro? Like, because this does not look good. Look at that candle, that engulfing candle. Look at that. If anything, it's making me want to short if we can get a break under 603 with a retest back up. But I'm just sitting on my hands from now. I'm not going to keep going back and forth, man. Damn. 2 dubs, 1 loss. One loss was bigger than the two dubs because my first dub I didn't get the ad in position, only made about 20 something dollars. Second win, didn't get that much RR on it, honestly. I really basically entered right here, sold up like right there according to futures. That's not that much RR. And last trade, I was hoping for some continuation, but honestly, the 15-minute did look like it was getting kind of weak. But yeah, now it's pulling back even more or whatever. I'm just watching. I'd rather take the small loss than a big one. Just watching. Other than that, I think I'm gonna be done for the day. I don't think there's nothing else really to take. You know, unless we can short this. Other than that, I'm not looking to take anything else. I don't think so. Calls could be done. But yeah. So 83% win rate today, and that one loss was just the biggest loss though, which is bullshit. Bullshit. Yeah, Mondays are definitely my red days. Clearly. Alrighty. I just got back from the gym. Health is wealth, you know what I'm saying? Health is wealth. But I did end up taking one more trade. Being aggressive. I don't know why I tried the same thing 3 times. Um, and I seen that the 15-minute volume was dying out and everything, and I still took the trade anyway. And that put me down on the day negative $60. So let me show you guys. $67. So I lost $67 in total. That last trade I lost 50 something dollars. You know what I mean? But it is what it is. I was in profits before. I should have just took it and walked away because my track record here, every Monday so far this month, I've been red. First Monday of the month, $157.13 loss. Second Monday, I lost $13.48. Third Monday, which is today, I lost $67.63 when I was up 100 something dollars. So it's my fault. I can't blame nobody but myself. I was in profit, gave it back. You know, trying to catch a huge move knowing knowing we would need some kind of catalyst in order for us to make that kind of move from I think it was 603 to 607 on SPY. Um, but that's why I just kept closing the trades out, I think. And that should have just signaled to me subconsciously there's nothing left to take now. The day is over, the move is over. But it is what it is. I only lost $67. I'm still in the game. I'm still green on the account. um by over 800 something dollars, so I'm chilling. It was almost 1,000 until I just lost 100 something dollars, but it's what it is. But I ain't sure about it. Overall, though, I'm still green last week and the week before last, so I'm just trying to, even if I have a red day in the middle week, I'm not letting that knock me out. I'm just trying to have green weeks, trying to be consistent. My bad. Sis, when you really put that work in the gym, bro, like you really look good, bro. Like, I hope you guys, be in the gym and make you feel good mentally, physically, give you that confidence boost. You feel me? Health is really wealth. I'd rather have my health than have all the money in the world. Because if you have all the money in the world, but you don't have no health, you can't even spend it. You ain't even going to enjoy it. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys this and then I'm gonna end the video. Just to show you guys a little bit of proof. I could show you guys what I did.
Because I always use my snipping tool to actually physically see what I did. It was these last two fucking trades that fucked me over. It's the last two. Quick look. Yeah, that's my entry. I entered there because it was bouncing off of the EMAs. Stop loss. I mean, where I got stopped out on this candlestick because my stop was like right under this level, and I didn't want to take the full loss. It's like 180 something hours. But I said this trade right here now that I look back was completely unnecessary. You took an entry based off price, bouncing off EMAs. Let me fix that. After you enter the second trade, when it broke above 603.33 and retested the EMA. That is the only valid EMA trade since it was near the key level. This trade was more of I'm trying to make some money. Yeah. This trade was pure arrogance, knowing we clearly haven't had a good enough pullback to consider reentry. And I even cut the trade early since it looked like price wanted to break below 603.33 for $138 loss. And this, again, being stubborn, I tried longs again. This time you can see different entry. My entry is on that candlestick right there, and I exited on this break. I tried longs again because price kept failing. But then go ahead and bounce off my level. There was honestly no reason for me to try longs again. I was clearly just aggressive and ignoring the clear 15-minute sell signal. Again, I closed the trade early due to the fact I honestly knew I was wrong and I didn't want to risk the whole $100 because I feel like it was going to be a guaranteed loss. So that's what I did there. But yeah, okay, now I'm officially going to end the video here. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a recap since I took another trade. But yeah, I appreciate y'all for tuning. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.